Hi, my name is Tarina Top, and I did my exam 2 topic on animal rights. I chose to do my clips on TED Talks, so the first 2 clips were in support of animal rights and the other 2 were not in support. So the first 2, and specifically, one of them, she was talking about how she was not in support of orcas being held captive in facilities such as SeaWorld or Sea Life. In the second clip, she was not in support of the meat and dairy industry. The third clip was in support of animal testing, so that would counteract against animal rights. She supported animal testing for science reasons, such as product testing and testing for medicine. And the fourth clip supported the meat and dairy industry and was against veganism. So I scored the first 2 that were in support of animal rights higher, and the other 2 I scored them lower overall. I thought the first 2 were very persuasive. They all were, but the first 2 especially, I thought they were more confident and emotional. They used more gestures, and their sentences flowed better, and their sentences were also more organized. Like I said, I thought both sides were very persuasive and confident in their research and opinions. And the videos in support of animal rights scored higher in the rubric. Like I said, the woman in the second video, I think she scored 100% on the rubric. And on the emotional aspect, videos in support of animal rights were more emotional and passionate about the topic, and the videos against were more factually driven and not emotionally driven. In course concepts, I found in those speeches interpersonal communication, the speakers exchanging ideas with the audience and the audience is listening to those concepts. Listening and critical thinking. Speaker uses critical thinking when curating the speech in order for the audience to receive and listen to that information. In nonverbal language, the first 2 speakers especially used body language that made the listener know that they were being emotional and passionate about the topic of animal rights.